when I click the course assignment tab, the first thing I see is the due dates. The assignments are arranged in folders based on their due dates. All the assignments in the folders must be done before that due date or by the due date. So when you click on the first due date, we see 3 assignments that are supposed to be done by this due date. First assignment is to complete the syllabus quiz. The assumption is that you've actually read the syllabus at this point. When you click on that, it takes you to the syllabus quiz. You can go over here and it allows you to start it. Oh snap. Okay, so it says right here I took the test. I really didn't take the test. And so you can start a new submission in my case. There it is. Okay, so you go ahead and take the test. When you're done, you say save all answers and then save and submit, even though I haven't taken any of the assignments. Okay, it took me 0 minutes to get done with the quiz, and so you're done, you submit. When you're done with that, you go back to the tab. The next thing is your lab safety form, your laboratory safety form. Now, just to remind you, you have a little folder here that says how to submit assignments. If you already know how to do that, don't worry about that. Go to the lab safety form. If you don't, this is a chance for you to refresh your memory on how to submit assignments on eCampus. I'm going to click on the lab safety document. You want that. It should download for you. Let me see, where's my folder? Click on the little folder thingy right there. And so I click on that, and there it is. So you want to go ahead and put your name. You can print this out, write your name, the course ID, and then sign, date this. You want to make sure if you're printing it out, scan it and upload it onto eCampus. If you're going to put it on here, straight on here, you want to go ahead and maybe use the cursive font to sign your name. And all it says here, essentially bottom line, is that you are aware of the dangers of working on your lab at home. After you're done with that, you want to go ahead and submit this onto eCampus. Okay, so once you have the document downloaded, the next question is how to submit it. You save the document, it's on eCampus, click here, and you want to go ahead wherever you saved it on your computer, hopefully the desktop or maybe the document folder or something like that. Browse your computer. So at this point, you want to either click on documents where you saved it or on the desktop, find your document, say you saved it under this right here, which would be your syllabus. You want to choose that, and look, it's uploaded right here. When you press submit, it will save the document onto eCampus. And as soon as it saves onto eCampus, when you go to the grade part of eCampus, it will show a submission sign. It should be a green circle with a white or yellow exclamation mark. Okay, so I'm not trying to save this right now, so I'm going to go ahead and click cancel. But that is how you would save this. And so we're pretty much done with our second assignment for the day. Our last assignment should be, Homework OWL intro. So when you click on this folder right here, you get 2 links. One link will actually take you to the Cengage page that will allow you to sign up for it if you've never signed up before, and it will take you to the course. If you've already signed up, the next thing that it will allow you to do is once the trial access code expires, you can click on the second link to buy the link. For right now, I want to go ahead and click on this first link. At this point, make sure that your pop-ups are not blocked because this page here is a pop-up. It tells me that I have 13 days to link my account. Please make sure you link your account, but I'm going to say I'll do it later because I already have an account with Cengage. At this point, if you've never had a Cengage Brain account before, you want to create a new account. Click on that. Put your email, your first name, last name, confirm, do all this, and then you can go ahead and create your account. Now, I would say no thanks as I already have an account. If you're already registered, go ahead and sign in here with your email and your password. How about I try? I will do that later. Okay. Okay. So at this point here, if you have an access code already, go ahead and enter your access code. If you don't have an access code already, it just says, continue to my course, I will pay later. Click on that. And when you click on this, it should take you directly to your course. Once the assignment is available, you can work as fast as you want to work. Okay? So for right now, we can't view anything, but in a couple of hours, well, I guess we can view that, but you can't actually start taking the assignments. In a couple of hours, you should be able to take the assignments, and it'll be available then. But if you go back to eCampus, I did provide you with the OWL version 2 access code link. Whenever your link expires, the trial access code expires, you can come on here, click on the access code link, and they give you this option right here. Now what you want to make sure you have is you want to make sure that when you are buying the access code, you buy one that is LMS integrated for OWL version 2. If you have this access code, this will allow your homework grades to automatically populate onto Blackboard. If you don't get one that's LMS, it's pretty much LMS stands for the Learning Management System. If you don't have one that's integrated, then what will happen is it won't actually move over, and then you have to wait and I guess let me know for me to come in here and find your grades and copy them over. Okay, but pretty much this is what we have. So when we're going back to the course assignments, you have the different dates. I think your first exam is on the 15th, right? On 15th, you have the first exam. So right now, the first exam is available for you, and you're told that. Now, one thing I have to mention, for the exams or for all the eCampus assignment, the latest you can take the eCampus assignments is 11:59. But for the Cengage assignment, since that's programmed by the website engineers, they set it up for 11:55 p.m. There's nothing I can do about it. So please note, when you are on Cengage, the deadline is 11:55 p.m. But when you're on eCampus, the deadline is 11:59 p.m. Okay, you have your first exam. No, I will not click on that link. Do not navigate out of the exam. When you're working on the exam, stick with that screen. You can have notes available, but make sure you stick with that screen. Once you click out of that screen, it will submit your exam for you, and pretty much your exam is over.